Okay, welcome to this challenge where I'll show you how to create your first offer and make your first $1,000 online using a new profile. I'm telling you this because I will create a new profile because I don't want to use my name in order to make these sales and look easy. So for everyone, I encourage you to grab a pen and paper, take some notes because this challenge will not be available for a long time. So take advantage of this offer. Basically, what I will show you here are things that I'm working with my one-on-one clients, that I'm helping them to get their first clients and then scale to 10K per month. All right. What this challenge will be about how to find a niche, how to create the offer, and how to launch. It will not be how to scale to 10K per month. If you want to scale it, we can talk in private, and that's another program that I have. Okay, so are you ready? Drop a comment. Let me know if we are good to go. All right. So first thing first, if you don't know me, my name is Angel Rodian. I'm into fitness for over 24 years, over 12 years of personal training. I've managed a gym also. And for the last 8 years, I am helping personal trainers to start from scratch. And I helped over 1,000 people to start their fitness business. And in the last 6 years, I started a marketing agency where we build funnels, we run ads, and we help them scale fast. A total revenue that I help my clients to get, it's over $12 million in sales. All right, just a quick note over here. You can find me on Facebook. So this is my personal profile. You can message me here. I will answer your questions. And as I can see, I'm all into fitness. All right, so you can go over here and look at my photos. I'm telling you this because there are a lot of scammers. They are using my name, and I don't want you to be scammed or anything. So come to this profile, message me here, and here we'll talk. All right. So just a few things. Here I was at a fitness challenge where I competed as a personal trainer. I won some competitions that I participate. Here are the Wings of Strength, the Miami Pro, where I won my pro card, lots of competitions all over the Europe. So yeah, I love fitness. Some coaching certifications that I did, the John Maxwell team certifications. If you are familiar with, it's about leadership and how to help your team and how to help your clients to perform better. All right, so you can go scroll on my profile, see a little bit about my things that I'm doing. If you need some more help or proof that it's working, so here are some stats that I have. Let's see, let's refresh. All right, so the last 7 days, the last 14 days, this month. All right, so yeah, let's refresh again. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's get into this training. This will be the first day where it's more like a warm up, and I want you to prepare for the next day, for the next days, where we'll dive into the creation and the program set up in order to launch it, right? So I'm very excited about that because that's where we will really work on your program. All right, so some disclaimer. This will not work if you're not good at what you're doing. You can be a personal trainer, you can be a CrossFit, into the fitness trainer, right? You can do CrossFit, you can do martial arts, you can do almost any type of sports. You can also do nutrition. All right. So, but you need to have experience. So you need to be good at what you're doing. You need to have knowledge. I'm not talking about being the best of the world, but just if you are talking with a client, it's important to know what to tell him. All right. So if you had some results and you've helped some of your friends in the gym and you want to transition and want to start your online fitness coaching business, it's okay. It's okay if you had results with your friends or you had clients that you helped and they were happy to pay you month after month in order to get better and more results with you, right? Make sense? All right. Another two things that you need is you need ambition. You need ambition because making money online, we are working to make money online. We are not doing, I don't know, crypto stuff or gambling or whatsoever. So you need ambition in order to put in the work and do exactly what I'm showing you that you need to do. And then you need dedication. If you hope that you will copy my funnel, do nothing, and expect to work, guess what? Maybe it won't work. Okay, so I'm telling you this like right now. So you need the dedication to come up to these trainings, to come up with the group training, ask questions, and then implement what I'll show you here in these trainings, and create your funnel and create your offer. Okay. So the plan for this training is that we'll find a niche, then we'll identify the problem, and then we'll find a solution. So there's two things. Let me show you something over here. This is from one book that I am writing. Soon it will be released. So there's two things. It's problem versus desire. So there are people that want to get rid of a problem and are people that want to achieve something specific. Let me explain you this. The people that want to get rid of a problem, maybe that are people that go to a doctor and they have some medical issues, some problems, and the doctor tells them, okay, you need to start controlling your weight, maybe you need to lower your cholesterol levels, and so on. Okay, and that people will focus on getting rid of that problem. All right. Most of the time he will not focus on getting the beach body or preparing for a contest prep. Okay, I hope it makes sense. Then the people that want to achieve something specific maybe are people that more or less are looking good, are in good condition, but they want to do some performance. They want to compete, let's say, or they want to achieve that beach body. So this, depending on who you want to help, you need to identify the people that you want to help. My recommendation over here, if you are just starting out, is to identify a problem, as I said here. Okay? Because the people that are looking to fix a problem are more willing to pay you for your service, and they don't need that much. You don't need to convince them. Let's put it like this. All right, let's go back. So yeah, I hope it makes sense. Then what we'll do in the next days, we'll create a message based on what we'll work more about over here, about the people that want to get rid of the problem. As I mentioned, you can you can focus on the people that want to achieve something specific, but it's up to you. So then we'll create a message. Just in short, some kind of messages is I help personal trainers who want to transition into online through using organic funnels like I am doing. Okay, this is an example. Or another example for you, because you will launch your offer, is I help men who wants to get rid of the belly fat through quick abs method. Okay, so we'll talk more about this in the next sessions. I just want to give you an overview. All right, then we will find a solution based on the problem. We'll come up with a solution. We'll figure out what are the steps in order to achieve that, and then we'll create 300. Let me do it like this. A 300 to 1000 US offer. What I did here. So, all right, let me fix it. Okay. So here are the offers, but first we'll create a lead magnet using my proven template. So I will give you the exact template that I'm using, with most of my clients, and I will give you that in the next session completely free. All right. Then we'll create a high ticket offer, and I recommend like a 1000 to 3000 US for the fitness business to consumer. And this is the high ticket offer that we need. And then we'll create a mid ticket offer, like a 297 to 500 US for it's something that we'll use as a downsell. All right. So by having these two offers, we will have more margin to scale. All right, and then we launch the funnel and using a lead magnet that I will show you in the next sessions. Okay, so I hope you're ready for making your first to start your online business. That's it for today's sessions. I'll see you tomorrow. See you in the next day, and we'll start to figure out the niche, and maybe if we have time, we'll go into offer creation. All right, let me know down in the comments. Let me know in the group how excited are you to start doing this challenge and make your first $1,000 online. All right, see you. Bye bye.